Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Canadian Nest. I hope you all are doing well. In my previous videos, I have compared few cities of Canada and you have liked those videos. In today's video, I will be starting a new series in which we will be covering top 5 places, as you might have seen from the title. So we will be covering top 5 places to live in a particular province. We will be seeing the top 5 places to live in Canada, and in the part 1 we will be talking about Alberta province. So if you are visiting my channel for the very first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so that you can receive notifications for my upcoming videos as well. So without wasting more time, let's begin. So the first city, I will be doing it in descending order. So the fifth city would be basically, so the fifth city looks something like this. As you can see here, lots of greenery is there, and let's get some detail about it. It's the second largest city in the Edmonton Metropolitan Region, EMR. It's located just 17.5 kilometers from Edmonton city, so definitely it's not Edmonton here. And the sixth largest city in Alberta. Let's check some details first. The population is 66,000 approximately. The unemployment rate is 4.3%. Rent of one bed apartment here is average around 1,060 Canadian dollars. Rent for a 2-bedroom apartment is around 1,250 Canadian dollars. Temperature variations here are minus 16 degrees Celsius to 23 degrees Celsius. An average house here costs around 430k Canadian dollars. Airport, there is no airport here, so you can guess it's a small town, small city. The nearest airport being the Edmonton International Airport. So now let's check what's this city is called. This city is St. Albert. As you can see from the stat, it's located very close to the Edmonton city. So what it is known for, famous for? So it is Alberta's finest city. It has a rich heritage. It has artistic community. It was the largest agriculture settlement west of Winnipeg. It's the oldest non-fortified community in Alberta. It's known for its quality of life, its International Children's Festival, and the outdoor farmers market. So now let's check the fourth one. So the fourth one looks like this. Again, a lot of greenery is there, and a kind of bridge is this. So here it's Lethbridge, the city name, and it's the fourth Alberta city to surpass 1 lakh people. It's located 210 kilometers southeast of Calgary. So the population here is around 101,482 as per 2019 census. The unemployment rate is 10.5%. The rent for a 1-bed apartment is $940 Canadian. Rent for a 2-bedroom apartment is around 1,100 Canadian dollars. Temperature variations here are minus 12 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius. An average house costs around 312k Canadian dollars. Airport, yes, it's there, but it's a regional airport only. What it is known for or famous for? So it's a commercial, financial, transportation and industrial center of southern Alberta. So it's famous for Lethbridge University as well, ULETH. It's also famous for bright sunshine days, which it receives around 320 plus days of the year. The summers are warm here and mild winters due to the Chinook winds, and also it's famous for this high level bridge. So now let's check the next city, and the third city. So the third city looks something like this. It's located around a river. It's the third most populous city in Alberta province. It's located near the midpoint of Calgary-Edmonton corridor. So many of you might be able to guess it now. So let's check some stats. So the population here is 100,418 as per 2016 census. Unemployment rate here is 9.1%. Rent for a 1-bed apartment it's around 990 Canadian dollars. Rent for a 2-bed apartment it's around 1,025 Canadian dollars. Temperature variations here are from minus 15 degrees Celsius to 23 degrees Celsius. House costs are around average 354k Canadian dollars. Airport, yes, but charter and general aviation only. So the city name is Red Deer. So what it is known for? The city is famous for producing plenty of grain, cattle and oil, and it is one of the Canadian Center for Agriculture and Oil Distribution. It is also famous for Wascaso Park. So now let's check which city is on number 2. So on number 2, the city which we have, it looks something like this in winter, and in summers it looks something like this. So it's Edmonton. It's the capital city of Alberta province and it's second largest city in Alberta. So now let's check some stats. So the population here is 972,223 as per 2019 census, but in 2021 it has crossed 1 million. Unemployment rate here is 10.4%. Rent of a 1-bedroom apartment is 1,050 Canadian dollars. Rent for a 2-bedroom apartment is 1,250 Canadian dollars. The temperature variations here are minus 16 degrees Celsius to 23 degrees Celsius. An average house costs around 368k Canadian dollars. Airport, yes, international airport is there. So what it is famous or known for? It's sometimes called Canada's festival city. It's gateway to the north. West Edmonton Mall, it's famous for that. It's one of the world's largest mall. Main supply and service center for Canada's oil sands and the oil capital of Canada. So now moving to the last one, the first position. So you might have guessed by now already which city is there. So let's see some pictures of it. The downtown area looks something like this, and it's Alberta's most populous and largest city. It's the 5th largest city in Canada, and the city name is Calgary. So the population here is 1.2 million approximately as per 2019 census. Unemployment rate here is 10.7%. Rent for a 1-bedroom apartment is around 1,250 Canadian dollars. Rent for a 2-bedroom apartment is around 1,468 Canadian dollars. The temperature variations are minus 14 degrees Celsius to 23 degrees Celsius. House cost is around 472k Canadian dollars. Airport, yes, international airport is there. So what it is famous for? So it is famous for Calgary Stampede, Canadian Rockies, which is nearby, oil industries, Canadian Pacific Railway headquarters, Calgary Flames, which is an NHL hockey team, and 1988 Winter Olympics. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this one. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon, because many other videos will be coming. Also, if I missed something, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you think some other city is there which I missed in this video, you can comment down there as well, and also let know why it should have been included in this list. So see you in some other video. Till that time, take care, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.